Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn some different terminologies used in the statistics, and then we will learn that how can we use these terms in SPSS software. So, first of all, here we are going to learn about the types of variable. Types of variable, basically we have two types of variable, qualitative variable and the quantitative variable. Qualitative variable are those kind of variable which describe as the quality of a subject or the quality of the data. Like we can say the quality or the category of data. And quantitative variable are such kind of variable which describes the data in its number or in its quantity. So firstly here we are looking on quantitative variable, further classified into two subclasses, that is the discrete variable, we can learn about it, and the continuous variable, we can learn about it. So in short, the discrete variable are such kind of variable which can be counted in numbers. Here is the thing that discrete variables are those kind of thing which can be counted, and continuous variable such kind of variable which can be measured. For example, here we have the examples of the discrete, like number of clinical visits, it can be counted in numbers. Number of adverse events, number of angina attacks, number of household in a community, etc. These all are things which can be counted in numbers. Here we have another variable example. In continuous variable, we have the blood pressure which we measure, and body mass index which we also measure, weight, age, these all are things which measure in numbers and it has a decimal points in it. Likewise, in discrete variable, we do not have any decimal points or anything, just we have the whole number, and in continuous variable we have the decimal point values also lies in it. So another variable we are studying, that is a qualitative variable. Qualitative variable are also known as a categorical variable. This variable is also subclasses into two types, that is the nominal and the ordinal. Nominal is nothing, it is just the arbitrary, or we can say that doesn't ranked or not in the ordered form, or we can say the nominated values, the nominated data, or we can say random data. Ordinal values are such kind of thing that have some kind of order in that. Rather, nominal does not have any order in it. Here we have the example of the nominal, like the gender that is not in the ordered form, male and female. Another example of nominal, which is the hair color, black and brown or whatever, and we have the eye color, black and brown or whatever the color of the eye. And here is also the blood type, A, B, O, AB or whatever. These all are the examples of the nominal data that doesn't have any order in its categories. Now here we have the example of ordinal data, that is the ordinal data are such kind of data in which we have some kind of ranked from highest to the lowest or from lowest to the highest, like we have in our Likert scale which we measured from its categories. Like we have the example here, the agreement level, strongly agree, agree, neutral, disagree, strongly disagree. Faculty position are also lies in the ordinal or in the ranked form, that is the professor, associate professor, assistant professor. And another we have the socioeconomic status, that is also categorized in the ordered form or in the ranked form, that is the upper class, middle class and the lower class. So such kind of things we study in the SPSS. These kind of categories in SPSS termed it as the level of measurement. In SPSS, we do not see the qualitative or the quantitative by its term, but by the symbol we can identify or categorize according to our data. So here the levels of measurement in SPSS, these terms are categorized into three subclasses or three levels of measurement which can be identified through its symbol. Like in quantitative, we will select this scale, and for the categorical or the qualitative data, we have these two symbols. These two symbols are also categorizing, like in the ordered form. You can see it is in a lower, middle, then the higher. These are the ordered form, and these three bubbles are representing the nominal, which we can see the non-ordered form. It is the ordered form, it is the non-ordered form, and it is the scale, the Mirabell form, which lie in the quantitative. So if we are doing work in the SPSS, then if our data is quantitative, then we have to select this scale, and if we are working on the qualitative, then we have to select these according to the category. Like if we are dealing our data in the ordered form, then we have to select this, and if we are dealing with the nominal data, then we have to select this.